Hello everyone, this is Ida from Retekess Official, and today I'm very glad to introduce our new arrival TW106 wireless Windows speaker system. It also called the wireless intercom system, wireless transfer speech system. Today I will show you the details of the system. And on my last video, I have shown you how to make them work. And now I will show you the more details of it. As you can see, there are 4 jackets on the base. So this one is the power adapter. You need to connect with the adapter. Then you can use this key. It will work. And this is for the record. In some application or the business, it needs to record the conversation between the staff or the customer. So you can use this key. And this is for the mic. You can connect the wireless mic like our new arrival TT123 model type. And you can connect it with this one and open the system. Then the staff can wear the wireless mic. They can walk around between in the working place. The working range between the mic and the receiver is about 13 meters, so it is long enough. You can use it in the gas station, ticket center, or the information center. It is very convenient and widely used in this place, especially in this time, because we need to keep the safe distance.